I've always been interested in how people get sick and why people get sick. And especially, in the context of if many people have the same disease, why do some people fare worse than others? And it's almost like a puzzle. And we are just the ones trying to put those pieces together. And that's, that fills me with a sense of humility and respect for how our body works. And Liverpool as a city is built on infectious disease research. So the links that the university has with not only the NHS Trust, specifically the Royal Liverpool Hospitals, but also with the Liverpool School of Tropical Medicine, makes us, we're in a prime location to kind of do this research and build on the expertise of several different scientists and clinicians and infectious disease experts. Well, one thing with the pandemic is that it's really galvanized the scientific community behind one sole purpose, and that is understanding the immune response and how it affects human hosts for the role of identifying a prevention, whether that be a vaccine or another line of treatment. Now, because this virus really affects humans in very different ways, our project looks at both the antibody and cellular responses in order to determine if there are qualitative and quantitative changes in certain immune correlates that are then associated with protection. Our work is very collaborative, and I'm in the fortunate position to work with both scientists and clinicians. So the collaborators I have are Professor Neil French, Professor Tom Solomon. I've been working straight through the lockdown. Much of this work has already started, and we've already been gathering the information for this work. And hopefully by the spring of next year, we will have published some of these findings. Philanthropic donations are vital, especially for exploratory research projects, and it really helps us to kind of do more early stage research. Without those donations, some of the work that we do would just not be possible because we would have to go through traditional funding streams where you need data and other preliminary information. So without philanthropic donations, we can't really do exploratory research. I'm kind of one spoke in this wheel that's churning to understand what's going on and to put all these pieces of these puzzles together. And it's very exciting. It's a really exciting time to be an immunologist.